is Teresa Dietrich, and I am a CDPE, SFR, and HAFA certified realtor, broker, consultant at Nevada County Realty, Community Property Services, and Placer County Realty. Thank you very much for joining me today. I'm here to talk to you about a very important subject in real estate, and that is the short sale. The reason why I feel that this is a very important video to create and to present to you is because there's so much confusion regarding short sales today. So what is a short sale? A short sale is simply this. The lender who holds the note on the property that is being sold agrees to accept less than a full payoff for the principal balance of the property. They essentially relieve that debt from the seller of the property so that the house can be sold and someone new can take it on and move forward. The seller is agreeing to sell for less than the full balance, and the lender is agreeing to allow that. So that's the definition of a short sale in a nutshell. So what exactly is the important element that you're looking for when you're considering a short sale and you're talking to realtors and deciding who to hire? The realtor handling your short sale is going to be responsible for a lot of legal documents. The paperwork in a short sale, how can I best describe the difference between a conventional sale and a short sale? A conventional sale escrow file for me is about this thick, and a short sale file is about this thick. My file drawers are full of really thick files. I have to have so much financial data regarding the seller of the property, regarding the qualifications of the buyer, so many additional documents. It's a very huge thing. And these files have to be handled in a very specific and professional manner. So you really do need a qualified realtor handling your short sale. When you interview realtors, you really want to know, have they successfully completed a short sale? How many? Have they done any short sales with the bank that has your note? These are very important factors because every bank, every investor has a different policy and a different procedure. So you really want to know that this person knows what they're doing and they can successfully close your short sale. What are the credit effects? What is going to happen to you after you complete your short sale? Most people think that the short sale is really no different than a foreclosure, and that's simply not true. On a short sale, you'll have about a 200-point credit hit on average. Of course, that varies if you've missed 6 months worth of mortgage payments, or whether you're actually still current on your mortgage and you're just doing a short sale. The credit difference is big related to how many payments you've missed or not missed. That credit point difference is something that can be made up over the span of a matter of months, and within about 2 years you'll be able to buy another house. If you decide to just throw up your hands, give the bank back the keys and say, take the house, let a foreclosure occur, you're going to have a permanent mark on your record, on your credit history, and you probably won't be able to buy another house for about 7 years. There's a pretty big difference between 2 years and 7 years. Now, why does that matter? Maybe you think you're never going to buy another house. Maybe you don't think you ever want that burden again. Trust me, you're going to change your mind. I haven't met anybody yet who hasn't decided down the road that they do want to have that American dream and have another home of their own and not have to deal with a landlord. So please really consider what you want in your future and for the future of your family and your children before you decide to just throw up your hands and give your house back to the bank. So why do you need a realtor at all in a short sale? Well, many people say, why do I need a realtor at all anyways? I mean, We as realtors have been making a case for ourselves for as long as realtors have been around. But in a short sale, there's so much legal documentation that needs to occur. As I said, the stack this high versus the stack this high. All those documents have to be properly accounted for. They have to be scanned, emailed, faxed. They have to be received. They have to be notated. Such an extra amount of paperwork. It's an unbelievable stack of paperwork that we as realtors have to complete in order to safely and successfully get you a short sale. So you really do need a realtor, and most banks, frankly, will not cooperate with sellers who do not have a realtor. They want a realtor on board. So it's a very important distinction between the for sale by owner and a short sale. Besides that, the bank is paying the commissions on a short sale, and you, the seller, are not. So why not have the added safety and protection of having a realtor handle your short sale? It's not going to cost you anything to have the realtor handle the sale. So what paperwork should you be expecting to provide, and what should you prepare in advance? On a short sale, most banks want to see at least 2 years worth of tax returns. They want to see bank statements for anywhere from 2 months to 6 months. They want you to complete a financial worksheet that outlines what your current income and expenses are, and they really want to know what your true hardship is. Why should they cooperate? Why should they give you a short sale? The hardship letter is really critical, and that's something that a realtor can really steer you in the right direction with and really help you draft and make a good case for yourself. The hardship letter is very critical and pivotal in the success of a short sale. So what's the timing on a short sale? And I know you're thinking, oh my God, I hear all these stories, it's going to take a year, it's going to take 2 years. We've all heard those stories. And when short sales first started happening, they definitely took a lot longer than they do today. However, with all the upgrades, with all the standardizations, with all the pressure that the government has put on the lenders to make a comprehensive reform of the short sale paperwork, documentation, timing, depending on what type of short sale you're doing, a HAFA or a conventional, you're looking at anywhere from probably 45 days to 60 days on average. They can go as little as 30 days and take as long as 6 months, but probably 45 to 60 days is the average. And at the end of that sale, you need to be prepared to move without a whole lot of money, and that's why it's also important to have a realtor to help you process your short sale in the hopes of getting relocation funds. Relocation funds are available through HAFA short sales and through a lot of other conventional short sales. Many lenders are offering relocation funds. They're getting money from the government to provide those funds, and if you have a realtor handling your file, you're likely going to get some sort of relocation funds. This is a really important distinction as well. So when you're interviewing realtors and you're considering a short sale, what should you be looking for? Really, you want someone who's going to put your interests first. You want someone who is going to have a good, diligent eye on all the paperwork, someone who is concerned and compassionate and ethical. Those are the important qualities of a realtor who's going to hold your financial future in their hands and be a partner in your short sale transaction with you. So I hope that I have answered some of your questions today. I'm certain I haven't answered all of your questions, and so feel free to contact me with the questions that you still have. And even if you don't have questions today, maybe you'll have questions in the future. I look forward to helping you in any way that I can, And again, please consider this. Please consider the future when you make the decision between choosing a short sale or allowing the bank to take your home. Thank you very much.